Welcome to your lower body foam rolling session. So for this session, you can use a regular foam roller, a small tennis ball or a trigger point ball, and a very dense medicine ball. I'll show some movements with each one. So what we're gonna start with is foam rolling the arches of your feet. So we are gonna hold and roll each movement for a 30 count. You can follow along with me, I'll be counting. So with the arch foam roll, you wanna point your toes down as you roll towards your heel of your foot, and then point your toes up as you roll towards your toes. Just follow along with me or count to 30. Switch. Next, we're gonna foam roll our quads. So you're gonna take the foam roller, you're gonna be face down. You'll have the foam roller placed at the top of your knees. You're gonna be on your forearms and you're gonna roll up your quads by pushing your body down, using your arms for leverage to help you do so. If you find a spot that's particularly painful, hold it there for a 5 count and then continue to foam roll. Do not foam roll over your knee. If you want to get deeper into the muscle, you can use a medicine ball and you'll put one thigh on the ball at a time, the same way you would with the foam roller, as far as how you would move up and down. You'll just have one leg on the ball. Next, we're gonna foam roll our IT band. So you're going to start with the foam roller on the side of your thigh where your knee begins, like this. You want your body shifted to the side. You can have your feet stacked or one leg over the other like this with the top leg bent for leverage. Using your hands and arms for leverage, you're gonna push down and then push up. Try to keep your body to the side. Try not to crouch over like this. Even though it's painful, try to push through it. If it's too painful, just stop. Do the best you can, but try to keep your body straight. All right, we're gonna switch sides. Make sure you're on the side of your body. Don't lean forward and migrate into the front of the quad. You want to make sure we're on the side of our thigh to really target that IT band. Next, we're gonna foam roll our inner thigh. So you're gonna have one leg on the foam roller You're gonna start with the foam roller and the inside of your thigh, closest to the midpoint of your body. You're gonna use your forearms and your opposite leg and foot to help you roll. So you'll start here, lift up, and roll to the mid part of your body, all the way to where your knee begins. If you move your foot, it'll help you get closer to where your knee begins. And just roll back and forth. All right, we're gonna switch sides. If you feel an area that's particularly painful, hold it there for 5 seconds or 5 count. Next, we're gonna foam roll our hamstrings. You want the foam roller behind your thigh, starting above your knees. Do not foam roll the back of your knee. And we're gonna roll forward towards where our butt ends, back and forth. You can either follow along with me, count to 30. And last, we're gonna foam roll our calf. So similar to the hamstring, you could have both legs on the foam roller, lift your body up, foam roll the meatier part of your calf, the middle, the side, side. And if you really want to get deeper, just have one leg on the foam roller, take the other leg, place it on top. So, and do the same thing, middle, side, side. All right, thank you for your time. That's it for our lower body foam rolling session.